Let's take a tour of the new Rich Content Editor, or RCE, in Canvas. So first of all, the setup is quite familiar to us. This looks similar to a Word document or a Google Doc, where there are these expandable tabs at the top, and then a main static menu with commonly used tools here. And at the bottom right of the editing area, there are additional tools that I'll go over. So first up, the edit options are pretty basic. Under View, we have a new full screen option where this can be really useful if you're working on a complex assignment or document with a lot of media. To exit the full screen mode, you're going to hit Escape on your keyboard or go back to View and hit full screen again. Under View, you can also get into the HTML code. Under Insert, you can pull in all different forms of media here at the top. Looking at links, this is where you would link to an external site outside of Canvas, and course links would take you to this menu, the Content Selector menu, where you can select a location in your course that you want to send your students to. Next up, under Insert, you can insert images that you've already uploaded to Canvas via these options. But using Upload Image, a new option is to search Unsplash, which is a database of high-quality images that are freely usable to us. So click on whatever image you like, hit Submit. It is quite large, so I'm going to click on it, go to Image Options. I can see here that the alt text is already done for me, which is great. And down here, I can cut that down quite a bit, so it's not so large on my page. There we go. Moving on, under Insert, up next is where you can insert audio or video files, and you would select course media or user media to pull in something that you'd already uploaded to Canvas, or you can hit Upload Record Media to upload or record media right there. The same options are available for documents. This is where you would insert files, PowerPoints, PDFs, and you can either upload documents on the spot or pull in documents that you already had in Canvas. Up next is the Equation Builder tool, which is new and I hope will be helpful to the STEM instructors out there. I don't really know much about making equations, so I'm just going to click some buttons here and then hit Insert Equation, and voila. Up next under Insert is inserting a table, which is very similar to how it was with the old content editor. The cloud icon or embed option allows you to cut and paste in embed code from YouTube or Vimeo or 3C Media so that those videos can sit in your page where the students can hit play right there. And finally, you can hit horizontal line to create horizontal lines in your page to create a visual organization that'll be helpful to your students as they're looking at your pages. Next, the Format menu is pretty straightforward. We do have a lot more options here, and in particular, there are a lot more fonts available for us to use with the new Rich Content Editor. Under Tools, you have the word count tool where you can get a word count on a selection of your page or the entire thing. And then the plugin icon is where you can pull in media or tools via external apps that you use. So for example, this allows me to search YouTube without actually going to YouTube. I don't have to open a new browser tab. I can just search for whatever I want up here, hit embed, and that will embed that video into the page where my students can easily click play right there. Then the last option is just table editing tools, which are the same as they were before. And then looking at the main static menu, I want to point out again that there are repeats. So here is our link, insert link options. Here is our insert image option. So you can either go here to do those things, or you can go up here. So you need to figure out what works best for you. Also on the static menu over on the right, you'll see these 3 dots often, and that means that there are some tools that are hidden from you. So just go ahead and click on those 3 dots to get those to appear. Down at the bottom of the content editing area, you have these 2 columns of dots that allow you to expand and contract your editing field. The full screen mode button is there, HTML code button is there, you have a running word count, and then you can click on this button to open your accessibility checker, and then the keyboard icon gives you keyboard shortcuts if you're interested in those. So that is the new rich content editor. I hope the tour has been helpful. Enjoy using all the new features that are available now, and have an excellent day.